Folks, we're going to have a look at a Bosch dishwasher that is coming up with an error 24. The model number is SMS63M08AU. So we're going to just start the program and have a look at the sequence of events. So initially the drain pump should come on, and then the wash pump should start running, and then followed by that you should have the inlet valve which is located over here, which is known as the condenser inlet valve. It allows water from this condenser to flow into the chamber after the draining, obviously after the draining is done during the fill sequence. So this usually fills up with water, and initially that is used for pre-rinsing. So now we can hear the drain pumps run again. So we've checked all the drain passages to make sure there's no blockages of any sort, and the sump is empty at the moment. So you can hear the drain pump run. And now we're going to listen when the wash pump comes on, and you listen and see how noisy it is. And we get error 24. So the sequence is the wash pump should run for and then when it stops, the inlet valve, which is located over here, will allow water from this condenser to fill in the chamber. And after that, if there's no water in this condenser, this valve will buzz for a few minutes, and then it'll call for water via the main inlet valve. And the main inlet valve is the Aquastop inlet valve, located right at the back. So that's where it is, and it'll fill via the main valve. So that's our error 24, and given that it's error 24 comes immediately after the motor running, and the motor being so noisy, it's most likely a defective motor in this case that's causing the error.